Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment today. The toilet, they're not getting any water through their fluid master. But the water is on. So I'm gonna try seeing if there's anything clogged in it. I'm gonna pull it up and see if we got any pressure there. Okay, so you can see no water's coming out, well, very little bit, like it's just trickling in there. Alright, so you can see it's on now. There's just a little bit of a blockage in the fluid master itself. So when we released it, it was able to clear it out. Right. Alright guys, there you go. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.